Someone do something?
I don't know, I'm recording now, so.
What?
What? I don't know.
My persuasion was going to say it was about,
Why do you have to leave?
What did you say to me?
Why do you have to leave?
Whoops, sucker.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I got a 58 in farm. Man, I rock.
You're almost passing.
I know.
I have exactly a 52.
Sweet.
Now you're kidding. 58. Right there.
Oh, Brittany, turn around.
What's your grade in chemistry?
90.
I have 80. If I quit doing something, seriously, this whole last semester.
Let's walk around the room, camera, while you're recording.
I did better than
Who's this? Hey, look, it's Scott. Recording.
and below.
That's a real close-up. Oh, I gotta sign a yearbook. Okay.